Soto, file number 22-000036. And they also have people of the state of Michigan versus Jamie Soto, file number 19-05088 SD. Council appearances, please.
Assistant Public Defender John Lee on behalf of Jamie Jesus Soto.
Okay, Mr. Soto, today is the day that we're addressing these two files because file number ending in 0036. You were supposed to appear before me back on September 12th at 8:30 for final pretrial, and then for a trial, it looks like on actually before Judge Flores. It's just because my handwriting in this file. He was supposed to appear before Judge Flores back on September 12th at 8:30, and then on September 26th at 8 a.m. for jury trial. You failed to appear. Did you forget about your trial?
No, ma'am.
Okay, why did you not appear?
Because when I went on that time, that person that's at the front counter told me that I wasn't on the list. When I gave him the paper to it, he said I wasn't on the list, so I just left.
The person was at what counter?
Right when you get off the elevator to go up.
You mean the security officer, or did you go to the criminal traffic window?
No, the security officer, right when you get off, because he asked me which room I was looking for, and I gave him my paper, and he looked at some list, and he said I wasn't on there.
Your matter's been reset for pretrial before Judge Flores. It's gonna be June 6th at 9:30, okay?
Ma'am.
As to the other file, file number 19-05088, you owe $1,134.25. I referred you to collections back on August 10th, 2022 to make a payment plan, but you never did it.
That's not
Did
why I
you
didn't
forget
have.
about that? Or did,
No, ma'am.
did the security tell you that you were not on the list?
Oh, ma'am, I didn't have a job. I just barely got a job. I barely started working. I'm homeless at the moment.
Well, you owe a large amount of restitution for drunk driving, sir. So when are you gonna, and how are you gonna pay that?
As soon as I get back on my feet, start making payments.
You're gonna make a payment now, otherwise we don't know how to fix your bond.
Right now, I don't have no money. I just started working. I don't get paid till Friday, this Friday coming
Where
up.
do you work?
KFC,
Which KFC?
the one on South Cedar, American Road.
How long have you been working there?
Just barely started a week ago. This was my second week.
Are you working full time?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And so you're gonna create a payment plan today. I'm not gonna leave and let you report to probation. I'm sorry, to collections, because that we did that last time and you didn't. And so when you're
Yep.
gonna make your next payment?
I can make a little payment this Friday.
How much are you gonna pay?
100.
And you're certain you can afford $100 this Friday?
Yes, ma'am.
When you gonna make your next payment?
Next paycheck, see what I can start affording.
Okay, you make a payment of $100 on Friday, you'll make your next payment 30 days from that of another $100, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
If you need a reduced amount, you need to come back to the court and request it, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
You can't just not address it and blow it off, because that's how you get warrants, and then you end up sitting in jail instead of at your job, and then that's how you lose your job, and that's how the cycle of homelessness continues. You understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
So grow up and take care of your responsibilities.
Yes, ma'am.
What's your phone number?
I don't have one at the moment.
And you say you're homeless, so there's no
Yes,
place for
ma'am.
you to receive mail,
No, ma'am.
but we notify you at KFC on South Cedar though, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You received your notice to appear for your next court date before Judge Flores, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
We'll set your bond at $1,000 personal recognizance, not because I trust that you're gonna return on your personal recognizance, but I would rather see you go to your job and get your paycheck on Friday. But I can guarantee you, I'm nicer than Judge Flores when it comes to setting bonds. So if you don't show up this time, he's not gonna give you a personal recognizance bond, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All your previous bond conditions, which were set back on August 10th, 2022, will continue. You're not to engage in any assaultive or threatening behavior. You're not to purchase or possess drugs or alcohol without a valid prescription. You're not to purchase or possess a firearm or any other dangerous weapon. There's a no contact order in place protecting the alleged victim, Sierra Medina. Don't see where there's been any allegations of violation, so that is a good thing in your favor. You need to report to all of your court dates. Okay, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
If you have a court date that says you're supposed to be here, you need the judge to tell you that you're not supposed to be here, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
You also have an attorney, is that correct?
Yes,
No,
ma'am.
Yes.
Do you know what your attorney's name is?
No, ma'am.
Who's this attorney?
Aaron Robinson.
Okay, Aaron Robinson is your attorney, so when you come to court on June 6th, you need to be making sure, if you haven't spoken with her beforehand, which I'm inclined to believe that won't happen since you don't have a phone number for her to contact you, you're gonna need to get here early so she can talk to you, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
You're gonna need to make sure you talk to your attorney and not to the security, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any questions?
No, ma'am.
Any additional matters for the record?
Nothing further, Your Honor.
You're all set, sir. Thank you.